Hello there, welcome to Children's Art Museum. Today we will be pencil coloring a bird. For that I am using drawing sheet, pencil, eraser, color pencils and also a white and a black gel pen. To begin with, we shall be doing a tilted heart shape first as the bird wing. Now the head of the bird. Bring it here. Now these are the different sections we will be coloring in different shades. You need to erase the mid part. Join this here. These are the different areas we will be coloring in a different shade. So this comes the wings here. The complete drawing, and now let's begin coloring. First I'll take orange color and I'll completely cover this part with orange. Next take red and over the orange to the red so that it becomes very dark near the head. Now you are blending orange and red together. Next take yellow and complete this wing. Blend the yellow inside the orange. Bring some yellow at this part of the wing. Next take some light green and totally cover this side of the wing till below. You will see always a blend of all the colors in between the wings. It's some dark green and blend in between. Make it darker. You are blending the dark green and the light green, so it's creating a 3D effect with the shade. Next take blue, light blue, and totally cover the rest of the areas of the wing. The bird is so colorful. Now near the beak, get some yellow here and some orange. Next, take a dark brown color and color the beak. You have a beautiful reddish orange inside the eyeball. Show some fur kind of structure with your dark green color. We come to the branch. Give the borders with the dark green color. Next, we take a black pen and just try to highlight few areas. Suppose the beak, the eye part, So here is your finished painting. Thanks for watching.